MPT 30-meter stacker, which can be also run on electric motors, which means that you are able to use the diesel engine as a power source, or you can plug the machine to the power source and use the power from the grid. The main idea is the dual power. It's not a hybrid, it's a dual power, which means that to the diesel engine you have connected the pumps which are running all the systems. Then you have the electric motor, which also has connected hydraulic pumps, which are also running the whole elements of the machine. It means that the customer can run the machine both independently on the diesel engine or with electric motors. It gives them extra flexibility and also allows the machine to be used in such places where using the diesel engine is not possible. The good thing about the MPT 30-meter stacker is that with the dual power, we are able even to move the machine when it's working on the electric motor, because we have the same setup of the pumps to the diesel and to the electric motors. So as long as you have a long enough extension cord for the machine, you are able to move the machine also using the electric engine, which makes it super flexible for some customers who are using this machine where using the diesel engine is not possible or even prohibited. The rest of the machine is the same as the standard model, which means that we have a 30-meter long belt, which is able to transfer 500 tons per hour of material. Since we are now near the machine, machine is also able to go into the container. We have a special mode of this machine, let's say, to put it in the container, which makes the transport cost also getting quite low when we are moving the machine to the customers, even to US or somewhere else. The machine that is based on a model which was back in the days called 265. The main differences are that we have now a lifting hopper, which means that we are able to load their material with some bigger shovels up to 2.5 meters wide, which means that we are able to work with bigger machines for bigger customers, which makes the machine more versatile to different customers. This machine back in the days was equipped with the trucked version and also hook lift frame, which gives us the possibility to move the machine on a hook lift trailer, on a hook lift truck, and also on trucks in place. But since we got some feedback from the customers that some of them don't want to have the hook lift frame because they don't have a hook lift machine, they don't have the hook lift trucks, they just want the trucks. So we made the machine for them, just on trucks and with the new lifting hopper, lifting shoe. The machine, comparing it to the Pro S1, this is not an entry-level machine. This is more for the people who are using the machine more professionally, let's say, who are willing to pay an extra money in order to have some, for example, better shafts with higher durability, which will last longer, and also with the sound level. This machine is very, very, very quiet. We made sure that it's all covered to the sides with all soundproofing, which means that the machine has really low noise levels, which is very important sometimes when the machine is working close to the city centers, close to the place where the people are living. When we are comparing it to the other machines, for example, when we are on the side, some of the loaders, they are way more, they are noisier than this machine. It's very, very quiet, which is also sometimes noticed by our customers that this is a very important aspect also of the machines. The rest of the machine is very similar to the machine that is now on the market for some time now. We have some customers who are really happy with the machine, and they are really like the build quality of the machine. They knew that they paid some extra money on the machine, but they see the quality, they see the money that they put in the machine, because they can see that the machine lasts longer than competitors who are sometimes way cheaper, but the quality is not. That we have in our booth may look like the same machine that we have in our offer for years, but internally it's different because it runs on a Caterpillar motor. This is the 18-liter motor, which generally works in trains, but because of this power, 800 brake horsepower, we need to put such a big engine to produce good throughput on the machine and gives the customers good results when they will come to shred. The good thing about this machine for the customers is, of course, that it is compliant with the Stage 5 engine, with the Stage 5 norm, but it doesn't have the DPF or AdBlue, which makes for some of the customers easier to maintain because there are less things that can go wrong in the machine. The second difference on the machine is that we sped up the conveyor that releases the whole material outside from under the shafts. Now it's twice the speed that we have in the standard version that we had in standard version a few years ago, which means that the machine is able to remove the material easily, without any problems, without any blockages, and also it improves the whole performance of the machine because now we can use the machine with the fullest potential and with the maximum speed on the shaft. The 210, this is one of the most popular also machines from our range. This is well-known machines around the world. We have them working in US, we have them working in Finland, we have working them in Qatar, for example. So this machine is a really worldwide known machine that is known from its capabilities to shred the material to big throughput and make our customers really happy.